Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram account, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Telegram app and tap Start Messaging. Tap Continue and allow the permissions. Now select your country or region and enter your phone number. Tap Next and tap Continue on the pop-up. Also allow the permissions. A verification code will be sent to your phone number and Telegram will automatically verify your number. Now enter your first and last name. You can also add in a profile picture if you want and tap Next. And that's how you create Telegram account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.